commonly used AI tools. One of the more popular ones recently is the cutout tool. His tool contains for free. Everything I share is free and can be used. If you pay, I won't share or introduce it. One is cutout. This cutout is super, very detailed. As hair. It is currently considered the most perfect among the cutouts. Then there's face changing and picture cleaning. The second software is an AI smart assistant, a browser extension. Its advantage is that it can read page. The third one is this QR code art generation. You can generate artistic QR codes, more aesthetically pleasing. The fourth is style conversion. You can convert the style of the head. Of course, he doesn't necessarily have to change his avatar. Other images is also available in 5 styles. Very perfect. I will share these in my notes. The theme in my design notes is unlocking design issues. Super skills every day. Only share free and usable AI tools to designers. And I tried all the tools. These 4 will share the first one first. What is this called? I cut out 10,000 free tickets per month, so it's equivalent to free. Can be used for a long time. It can be in my notes. I will mark the latest ones with colors. This is new today. This AI cutout. The first one is to cut out pictures. This is very simple. He has several styles. This background is empty. Just throw it in and deduct the picture directly. This is cleaning. Like this. Is there anything unnecessary in the background? Just adjust the brush and paint it. I won't teach you this. It's too simple. I'm just showing. This one is better and the picture is better because he provided basic materials such as children and girls. Various artistic photos. You can also provide it yourself. But the premise is that he has customized and provided. This is very convenient. You can choose. Directly replace your own imitation. Friends can get his work permit. Photos and the like. This is these 3 functions of iPhoto. The second one is this. Dynamite. It is GPT currently the only one that is free. Available on Google extension. Just don't use it on the official website. We don't need to open the official website. The advantage of free and unlimited. He has management prompt words. Sometimes it's hard for us. Know how to ask questions. There is also a one-click selection of all text translation, web page summary, etc. This is the basic display. For example, I am too lazy to read this page to translate this entire page. Then it also supports 5 file formats. Upload. Then, this is GPT. You can upload it and ask questions. Its most important functions are these. He has this prompt word. Because many functions are actually implemented by prompt words, he has functional prompt words. Such as translation. In fact, he just said one word. What does your role tell you? Your role is a language translator. Spelling correction. Then it becomes a translation function. All kinds of The functions are actually the same form. It's just that he has already classified it for us. We can just use it directly. Because sometimes for some functions we actually can't explain this problem. Poor description, so he basically helped us describe it. So this is him. It's free to use. The most convenient way to use GPT is directly in this floating box while browsing a web page. If necessary, you can open it and ask questions directly. This is the most convenient. I have a problem with slow internet speed. This makes it easy to ask questions. And it also supports selecting Chinese text. Then translate or summarize this function. For example, what is the word for this pair? He has various conclusions. Or help me translate. Or help me Ray. What's that called? That's a summary. That's how I understand it. It has multiple functions. You can get addicted to this by yourself. A very convenient one. Expand slowly. The third one is face to many. Style transfer. This is it. Picture style conversion. You can understand it as the first line. Style conversion is so simple to understand. Turn a picture into 3D style. And what's the expression? The facial features are kept very realistic. This is his focus. He is actually more than one. A functional technique for model synthesis. His facial features will remain the same as before. He won't change his tune. So this is one of his very strong advantages. These are some of the games. Screenshot effect. This one is pixelated. This is the effect of clay. This is 3D style. So this free function is very powerful. As for how to use this wiper cat, after all, I didn't introduce this. If you register more numbers, free quota free of charge every month. It's free if you reuse it. So it's just a simple trick. The fourth one is this. Advanced. I don't know. I'll just generate the QR code. Sometimes we need to generate good-looking QR codes. For example, a picture like QR code. We can use this tool. It's free anyway. Generate it like this. The QR code that comes out looks relatively good. Ugly. And according to the prompt, you want this screen. What is the theme of the pattern? You can generate it yourself. Just use the prompt word. Then the URL and so on. The URL is here. The hint is here. Reverse prompts can be produced and processed here. You want to generate artifacts. He becomes a cultural relic. It was the QR code that turned into the pattern of his hair pattern. Well, it's free anyway. A very awesome tool. Just use it for everyone. These tools are on my side. Just click in, and you're done. Torture day is over there. At this, then he gave me a simple experimental tutorial. Click to see it. I will put the newest ones at the top. There are also AI dress-up tools. Google extension. The latest ones are on top.